Aleyküm, peace and blessings be upon you. On behalf of East Turkestan and its people, we extend our warmest wishes to Muslims across the world who are celebrating Eid Al-Adha. As we mark Eid Al-Adha this year, we would like to remind everyone, especially Muslims, of the millions of Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in occupied East Turkestan who are spending the sacred holiday separated from their families, facing genocide, unsure of their future, but still hoping for liberation. Today, some 3 to 8 million Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in occupied East Turkestan are being held in concentration camps, prisons, and slave labor camps. Over 16,000 mosques and other religious sites have been destroyed. Millions of Qurans and other Islamic texts have been burned. Over 850,000 East Turkestani children have been forcibly separated from their families and sent to state-run orphanages and boarding schools to be raised as atheist, loyal Chinese citizens. East Turkestani women are being raped and sterilized. Muslims are being forced to eat pork and drink alcohol and deny their faith. The organs of East Turkestani Muslims are being harvested and sold to fellow Muslims across the world as halal organs. This Islamic holiday, Eid Al-Adha, is a time to honor and reflect upon the sacrifice, resolve, and commitment to Allah demonstrated by the Prophet Abraham. We again call on Muslim countries, leaders, organizations, and individuals to demonstrate their resolve and commitment to Allah and the Islamic faith by breaking their silence, coming together and acting against China's ongoing genocide and occupation in East Turkestan. May Allah grant us all compassion, mercy, and trueness to our faith, and give us the courage and strength to act against oppression, especially against China's ongoing genocide in occupied East Turkestan. Eid Mubarak. Assalamu Alaikum.